What if you're working in Microsoft Excel and you have to fill a series of numbers from 1 to 1000? Normally what you will do is you will select first two numbers here, then grab the fill handle and drag and drag and drag until you reach 1000. Then stop there. And this process will consume a lot of your time. I will show you a quick method of filling a series of numbers. Select your first number here, click on the Home tab, then go to Editing Group on the right, click on Fill, click on Series, then select Columns here. Select your step value as 1 and stop value as 1000. Click on OK and here is your series of numbers from 1 to 1000. Alternatively, you can also fill the series in rows. Just like your first number here, click on the Home tab, go to Editing Group, click on Fill, click on Series and select Rows here. Then enter your step value and stop value as usual, click on OK and here is your series of numbers in rows.